I'm a professional organizer and I'm moving, and here's a moving tip for you. This is the last tip of the 7 things I'm doing before I start packing. Kitty, you get back here. I need you for views. Oh well. If you want to know more details about my move and the videos I'm making, see the description. These tips are in no particular order because every move is completely different. Number 7. Check it off. For lack of a better phrase, check it off means finish an area. When you move, you only see the obvious, and as you start to clear away the space, you'll then start to notice all the little things left behind that you may have missed. Something plugged into an outlet, or something hanging from the ceiling or on the wall. When I found out that I was moving, I started looking around thinking, oh, I gotta remember that, and oh, I gotta remember that. When I started handling those areas, I could then look and be like, oh, that's completely done. I don't have to think about that anymore. Empty out a cabinet, clear off a porch, finish an area so you can check it off. Here are some examples.
Declutter. Check.
Back porch all clear. Check. I braved the wasps one more time. I moved quickly. They were definitely swarming around me, but I went fast. One more swat, and I'm done. Check. Visited the basement for hopefully the last time. Check. Went to the guest bathroom and just pulled out everything, gave it a quick wipe, and relocated everything with similar categories. Cleaning supplies with other cleaning supplies and extension cords. And check.